You're scrolling through TikTok, and suddenly, a neon-drenched video catches your eye. It's mesmerizing, almost hypnotic. You download the app, eager to experience the same vibrant, otherworldly visuals. But hold on. Before you dive headfirst into the neon glow, there are some serious questions to ask. Is the Neon app safe? Does it pose any risks to your privacy or security? Let's find out. The Neon app has taken the internet by storm, captivating users with its unique ability to transform ordinary photos and videos into stunning, neon-infused creations. It's incredibly easy to use, making it a popular choice for both casual users and aspiring content creators. But with its rapid rise in popularity, concerns about the app's safety and potential drawbacks have also emerged. One of the primary concerns surrounding the Neon app revolves around user privacy. Like many social media platforms, the app collects user data, including personal information and usage habits. This data collection is necessary to personalize the user experience and deliver targeted advertisements. However, the extent of data collection and how this data is used raises questions about user privacy and potential misuse. It's crucial to carefully review the Neon app's privacy policy to understand what data is collected, how it's used, and with whom it may be shared. Be mindful of the permissions you grant the app, such as access to your camera roll, contacts, and location. Another important consideration is the potential security risks associated with the Neon app. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, and mobile apps can be vulnerable to various threats, including malware, data breaches, and phishing attacks. While the Neon app itself may not be inherently malicious, it's essential to be vigilant and take necessary precautions to protect your device and personal information. This includes keeping your phone's operating system and the Neon app itself updated with the latest security patches. The content generated and shared on the Neon app, like any social media platform, can range from creative and inspiring to potentially harmful or inappropriate. While the app may have content moderation guidelines in place, it's crucial to be mindful of the content you encounter and engage with. Be cautious about interacting with strangers online and be wary of sharing personal information or engaging in activities that could compromise your safety or privacy. If you encounter any inappropriate or harmful content, report it to the app's moderators and block the offending user. The Neon app may not have explicit age restrictions, but it's important to consider the app's suitability for children. Younger users may be particularly susceptible to online risks and may not fully understand the implications of sharing personal information or engaging with strangers online. Parents and guardians should be aware of the types of content available on the Neon app and monitor their children's usage to ensure their safety and well-being. The Neon app offers a unique and exciting platform for creativity and self-expression. However, it's crucial to approach the app with a healthy dose of caution and prioritize your safety and privacy. By understanding the potential risks and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy the app's creative features while minimizing potential harm. The Neon app presents a fascinating blend of creativity and technology. While it offers a unique and engaging experience, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks and exercise caution when using the app. By carefully reviewing the privacy policy, being mindful of online safety best practices, and utilizing available safety features, you can enjoy the Neon app responsibly and safely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.